Hi friends, this is Venkat. Welcome to Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. So the topic we are going to look today is part 2 of ages. In part 1, we discussed the basic concepts, shortcut method along with the traditional method. So in this part 2, we will discuss tougher problems and how to solve it in the shortcut method. So in the problem it is given as Ramesh was 7 times old as his son 5 years ago, and 5 years after Ramesh will be 3 times as old as his son. Find out the sum of present ages of Ramesh and his son. So 5 years ago they are in the ratio of 7 is to 1, and after 5 years they are in the ratio of 3 is to 1. So the sum is 8x and 4x. So we will try to solve the problem by option method. That means the option given are 40, 48, 50 and 31. So 5 years ago it should be a multiple of 8. That means subtract 5 from both Ramesh's and his son age. That means we have to subtract 10 directly. That means 40 minus 10 equal to 30, 48 minus 10 equal to 38, 50 minus 10 equal to 40, 35 minus 10 equal to 25. That means we know that before 5 years it should be a multiple of 8. That means 30 is not multiple of 8, 38 is not a multiple of 8, and 40 is a multiple of 8, and 25 is not a multiple of 8. So the sum of the percentages of Ramesh and his son is 40 years. So second question, the respective ratio of percentage of Sita and her daughter is 7 is to 1. 4 years ago the respective ratio of their age was 19 is to 1. What will be Sita age 4 years from now? So the option given are 42, 38, 46 and 36. So in the given question it is given as percentage of Sita and her daughter. That means consider Sita as S and her daughter as D. That means percentage they are in the ratio of 7 is to 1. And 4 years ago, that means before 4 years, that means minus 4 years, they are in the ratio of 19 is to 1. So what will be the Sita age 4 years from now? So they are asking the present age from the 4 years. So we will try to find the by option method. The option given are 42, 38, 46 and 36. So in order to find their age from 4 years from now, subtract 4 years from each option. That means 42 minus 4, 38 minus 4, 46 minus 4, 36 minus 4. That means 38, 34, 42 and 32. So we have subtracted 4 from each option. So we clearly know that it should be a multiple of 7. That means what is the multiple of 7? 42 is a multiple of 7. So these options are not correct. Only the option 46 is the right option. Right answer. So the Sita age 4 years from now is 46 years. So this is the third question. The sum of ages of 5 children born at intervals of 3 years, each in 50 years. Find out the age of youngest child. That means there are 5 children who are born in regular interval of time of 3 years. So their sum of ages is 50 years. So that means consider the first child as x and second child as x plus 3, third child as x plus 6, fourth child as x plus 9, fifth child as x plus 12. As in the question we know that the sum of ages sum equal to 50. So we know that average is equal to 50 by 5. It is equal to 10. So this is in the arithmetic progression, that is x plus 3 and x plus 6, x plus 9, x plus 12. These are regular interval of time of 3 years. So as we know that average means the exact middle term which are in the arithmetic progression. So that means the middle term is x plus 6, and as we know that average is equal to 10, so x plus 6 equal to 10. So we know that x equal to 4. The youngest child age is 4 years. So this is the fourth question. Rohit is as much as youngest to Shiva as he is older to Tarun. If total of ages of Shiva and Tarun is 48 years, how old is Rohit? That means this is a very good question. While understanding, it will be very easy. So in the question it is given as Rohit is as much youngest to Shiva. That means Rohit is as much as youngest to Shiva and older to Tarun. If the total ages of Shiva and Tarun is 48 years, that means the total ages of Shiva and Tarun is 48 years. So, how old is Rohit? We have to find Rohit age. That means we know this is also in the arithmetic progression. We know that x plus r equal to x and r plus t equal to x. Consider this as x. So this is in the arithmetic progression. As you know that when the terms are in arithmetic progression, the average is the exact middle term. So how do we find average of exact middle term? That means first term plus last term by 2. As we know that the total ages of Shiva and Tarun is 48 years. That means first term plus last term is 48 divided by 2. So the average is 24 years. So the middle term is Rohit. So average Rohit age is 24 years.